Today I'm going to prepare some fish carpaccio. First we'll use these shrimps from Sanremo in Liguria. I previously prepared them. We'll place some on this plate. We'll now add some pomegranate seeds, salt and pepper. In this case, we'll use a special oil from Lake Garda. The dish is now ready. Buon appetito!